Hey folks, what view behind me? I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
What's up, guys? I'm gonna play this one more time. Just gonna allow some people to get into here. Wait for some people to show up. All right.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
What's up, guys? What's up, Cilindro? All right, so how is everybody doing? Did anybody trade yesterday? Yesterday was not a good day to trade. I really have to fucking pee, so I'm waiting for my girl to get out of the bathroom. I have to pee. All right, so for NQ today, let's start off with the weekly, yeah? Let's actually start off with the monthly since it's the third day of the month. So the monthly closed bullish, but we have a very, very big wick at the bottom, right? Very big wick. So might be a little choppy this month, or it might have a really good selling month. But so here's the weekly. Weekly close bearish, so we could be coming down here possibly to fill some of this range. Now that we broke past this previous weekly low, we could be coming down to fill the rest of this range. Okay. Right now on the daily, let's see here. The daily is still sitting at this strong level right here. Super strong level. So I am going to say that if we can break above here, we will be bullish. But if we continue rejecting this area, we're going to drop, or we're going to still continue to consolidate. So until we break above here, I'm not going to be bullish. Oh, I'll be right back. I gotta go use the bathroom. Oh. Sorry, really had to go. All right. So here we're on the 4-hour. Okay, and look at how this daily level matches up with the 4-hour. All right, so pretty strong level. Very, very strong zone we have here. So I'm going to assume that if we do break above here, we're gonna push up pretty heavily. All right, so let's drop down to the 1-hour. Okay. Drop down to the 1-hour, and let's make our highs and our lows of the day. Up here. All right, so here is a low for the day. I'm gonna drop down to the 15. All right, so this London Open and this Asia Open, they're overlapping. So I'm going to say that there's a lot of liquidity resting in this area. So what we're doing is we are targeting liquidity. that is the strategy. So right here, it's happening. So I'm going to drop down to the 5. The 15 closed above. So I'm actually going to take, wait for this 1 hour to open. Okay. London highs are resting here. London lows are resting here. So let's see here. Take a long above here. Stops right below here. We haven't retested this New York Open yet, so I'll talk to you guys later. If we can come down here, that'd be great. That'd be great. I'd rather come down here to this New York Open first, and see a nice rejection, and then we can start pushing up. But yeah, I'm expecting to be, honestly, I'm expecting us to just kind of stay in a range until we completely break out of here. But yeah, this is what I'd like to see. What I'd like to see is come down here, take out this New York Open, and then push up. I like. Let's see what has not been retested yet. This New York low hasn't been retested yet, so I'm gonna mark this off. So if we break past here, then I'm gonna expect us to come down here to this New York low. its previous New York low. So if we break past here, it's either that or that. Okay. This would be breaking the London low. Beautiful. Hey, it looks good. Or try to. Alright, so waiting for this 9 a.m. candle. Opening in 2 minutes. Opening in 2 minutes. You expect bullish to 19,775 and start bearish again. I don't know, bro. We've tapped that area way too many times and have rejected from that area so many times already, and now we're closing below Asia lows. Now we close below New York Open as well. Okay. I'm gonna take some shorts. I'm gonna take some shorts and put my stops right above this here. Come down to take out London lows. Okay, so I'm gonna take some shorts right now. I am in. Let's see how much I'm risking here. So this is just 2. So this is 3. It's 5. So 270. Right above here. Oh, wait, that's wrong. That's wrong. All right, I'm gonna put 1 buy limit here, and then I'm gonna see after this hits, I'm gonna move stops to break even, and then I'm gonna see if we can come down here to this New York low, this previous New York low here. So I'm targeting these London lows right now at this moment. So I got in here because we closed past the New York Open on the 15, pretty bearish. So I'm expecting price to continue down to grab these London lows. We're doing here on the 1. Right, so we're pushing back up. Let's see here. So if we don't take out London lows, I'm going to expect us to come up all the way back up here. I don't like how that 5 closed. Alright, I'm going to be reversing this position. Right. Don't like the way that this 5 closed. I would have rather liked to see just a complete breakthrough. A complete breakthrough. But we're struggling a little bit, so I reversed it and targeting this London Open instead. Oh. God damn it. Here's the 1-to-1 right here. You want me to look at gold? I guess. Hold on. Gold's still trading in this area? Alright, so we're probably selling for gold. This daily broke past this trend line, but now this daily here, well, this daily doesn't even have a bottom wick. So this daily here, I'm like, maybe probably should have stuck with my normal bias. Because what was my bias? Hold on a minute, my guy. I am focusing on NQ right now. Thinking I should have stuck with my original plan, guys. I should have just stuck with my original plan. Yeah. Oh well. That's okay. I think this is a fair price. Trading below New York Open. Yeah, I should have just stuck to my original plan. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that was my fault. I don't know what I was doing. I should have just stuck to the original plan. Whoa, what happened here? On my other account. Yeah, that was my fault. Should have stuck to my plan. Now my stops are actually going to be above here. Right above this area. Let's get a couple more in. I'm stick to my original bias. This time I'm just gonna fucking leave it. I don't know why I keep fucking changing my fucking bias. But anyway. So yeah, so I'm gonna target London lows. And then if we break past London lows, I'm targeting previous New York lows. But anyway, this is completely, transparent for you guys. I should have kept my trade in from here. I would have been in a way better position. Would have been at break even now. Yeah, there's news at 10 a.m. as well. News at 10 a.m. So let's just wait for that. I actually did not mention that. PMI at 10 a.m. If it takes me out here, then we'll be taking buys up. our girl's on her period today. She was not happy. She was not a happy camper. There are no days.
Well, they're reading the source code. Reading. Yeah. Now we can read the shorts, and now we can have a like you can understand that paper is good and you are good and you are smart because not a lot of people can do the same as we are doing because our job is really hard. Not all the people can do that. We don't have to be at all. I'm saying this. I say this for myself, I say this for you. And if they can make me something for something that they didn't do before. Or say it for myself as well.
Looks like we are Looks like we are rejecting these London lows, guys. So my buys were probably they're better. Yeah, we're coming back up. I'm gonna get out of this trade now. I'm taking buys up. Should have been a little more patient there, because there is news, so that was kind of my fault. But I'm gonna take some buys as soon as this 5-minute closes. All right, I'm taking buys.
about like how to identify fake full breakout. So I will show you an example of full breakout. I will show you, give me a second, I will show you right away. The biggest one, that one I can consider as a full breakout, and not really fully candle closure. I mean, I just quick, so you guys make it to microphone. Use your fucking microphone, and don't be so fucking rude if you stop doing issue marking. Use your fucking data.
All right, so
Every time you guys do that,
like I said, this is also in my game plan. Looking for a retest of London lows before seeing a reversal to grab liquidity from Asian or London opens or highs. So that's my game plan. I would probably really like to see my stops down here just because of news soon. But if our trade plays out with news, then we shouldn't even come down here. I'm gonna bring my stops a little bit.
but when we take your retest, we disrespect the retest, and if you're moving down, instead of going up, you're going down. So let me show you that example. If that makes sense for you, or if you want that kind of a less stuff. So can be rejection, so quick results. You also really get the right type of right. So this actually gets like that. So if you let's see the same example, right? It's 3. So I want 15 minutes. If we go by the 13 minutes, still more than that, yeah. If you go 1 hour. See, higher time frame is close above. So you need also to be scaling up the higher time frame. See, once the higher time frame is good, it's going to give you more information. Alright, so projection point well. Yeah, so
Go ahead and sell 2 here.
the cost of doing and the projection. That's the here, and if you continue moving up, I want to see us disrespect that level in the ticket. I will get the calls and
All right, I'm going break even. So now we're trading above New York Open, so we have a lot of buyers in the market that so buyers didn't want to push price below those London lows, so nobody wanted to sell below that. So we are expecting to buy above New York Open. And if we close past this Asian low and previous Asian low and previous London low, I'll probably be getting into some more buy positions. Put my stops right below here.
say that let's say that we close the meeting, okay? I don't really moving down. Okay, so we're really moving down, up and down, up and down. And we made that also for body outside. We need to hear about any what's going to happen. I don't care about what's happening about Jamie Morgans, but looking all people my age. We looking only to engage, okay? And just be target to be and that's all. Because you'll be applying so many strategies to whatever you think is gonna be, fucking you up. All different when this is like relationship thing, you should definitely.
Alright, now I'm gonna work my stops up. Oh, well. Too late now. Alright. What the fuck? Trading view. This kind of fucking glitch was that? You guys saw that shit? The fuck was that? So above New York Open.
No. Everything's the same. It's just like if you're using pivots, you do pivots become pivots and then when you're going to be on a live, PA pivots. So it doesn't cover that kind of nothing new that you need to do there. So I got very much attention what's going to happen on that one minute.
We are very choppy in this range, so I'm gonna wait. Ow.
And volume is exactly whenever we approach out the ball. So you need to be more because volume will be up and down very quickly.
We got that New York Stock Exchange open in 1 minute.
That should be moving up. So see what's going to happen. Anything else? Maybe some shoot. Either the volume or SES react to the rejection.
Let's see.
Still fast. I mean, like a false breakout. So I don't know that honestly that we reject continue.
All right, so we are coming down to these London lows finally. Oh wow, we just broke past these London lows. All right, I'm gonna take some sells, and I'm gonna be targeting down here.
Take the above that. So I'm gonna have like casual position over here in case we got. I want to see if we got rejection.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. Adding more. And if we do take me out here, then I'm fucking done for the day. Okay, I'm actually out. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I saw what I needed for the day, and I'm out. I'm done. Very nice. Very nice. That was fast. That was fast. Thank you, bro. Yes, sir. In and out. Yeah, I should have just stuck with my my cells, bro. But it did take us out right here at this 915. So what I'm thinking is really that it's probably just best to wait for 915, 930 to see how price reacts to this New York Open, because we still have the New York Stock Exchange open at 9:30, which is happening right now, which is why we have so much volume that just popped in. So I think timing wise, 9:15, 9:30 will be best to trade. Not 9 a.m., 9:15 or 9:30. So let me see this candle. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Still pushing. Still pushing. Let's see if it actually comes down to this low. Because this is all liquidity. We're just grabbing liquidity. This strategy is completely a liquidity strategy. We haven't touched this low yet. We haven't touched this low. We touched this Asian low, but we haven't touched this previous New York low. So that is where my target was. Wow. Wow, very beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Look at it. Watch it reject from here. I'm actually gonna take. Look at that. That was a beautiful trade. I don't know if anybody still held that or if anybody took that trade, but wow, look at that. So we rejected the New York Open at 9:15, which makes sense. You know, like I said, we have that 9:30 open for the New York Stock Exchange. So we took out the liquidity resting at this New York Open. There were sellers sitting here with limits. There were buyers sitting here too, actually, with their stop losses right above right below New York Open. There were early sellers as well, with their stop losses right above the New York Open. So we took out early sellers. We took out we brought in sellers from the limits, and then we started just pushing down. We broke past this London low, took out this liquidity, and after we took out this liquidity and just completely shredded through it, we targeted this previous New York low that has not been tested yet. So that's the trade. I think I'm done for the day. You know, the less you trade, the more profits you make. I made a couple mistakes this morning already because I was a little too early. So now we know, 9:15, 9:15. Okay, 9:15. I'll see if we can get one more trade. Since we are at these lows, we could possibly start reversing and come back up, but let's see. Because we still have this really strong level right here that we need to break. We have rejected it multiple times, but we also have people's stop losses sitting right above here. We also have buy stops sitting here. So we have a lot of liquidity resting right up here. Right up here. Right above this London Open and this Asia Open. A lot of liquidity.
If you can be helped, we have fun. I got my trade. I got my.
But need to write this down in my journal. A pen. See, it literally did exactly what I said in my game plan. If price breaks below London low, we will look to target the previous untouched New York low, and that's exactly what we're doing. Exactly what we're doing. All right. So let's see. right here. Look at that. We just took out those New York lows. Damn. I guess I could have at least let one run. It's okay. All right, so I'm going to write this down in my journal. So 9:15 a.m. Pre-New York Stock Exchange. Took out New York Open liquidity. Rejected Asia lows. Took shorts. Down to previously untested New York lows. And we are still dropping. Wow. So let's look left, okay? Let's look left. So what have we not tested? We also have not tested here. So we could come here, and if we break below here, we are going to come all the way down to these previous Asia lows. How many ticks was this? I don't even know where I got in at. I shouldn't have deleted that. Where even was my entry, guys? Wait, what the f- That's weird. Okay, whatever. That was weird. Took this trade at 9:31. My first entry was highest entry was right here. Right? Okay, so this was that was 350 ticks. Yo, so you guys heard about Don Vo, bro? You guys heard about Don Vo? I don't mean to be chismoso or gossip king, but bro, you guys heard about that, bro? You guys heard about Don Vo in the trading world? If you haven't heard about Don Vo in the trading world, I suggest you look him up. That's crazy that it happened. Now bullish? Maybe, yeah, but I'd probably wait for news. I'd probably wait for news. Bro, Don Vo he was a very live, he was a very popular live streamer on YouTube for gold. And I actually followed him last year for a little while. I did learn some things from him, but he started a copy trading program with the Blueberry markets, and he started managing people's money. And in just 3 hours, bro lost over $1 million in capital from multiple traders that have trusted him with their money. He lost all of that shit in 3 hours. Bro became a millionaire last year, and then this year he lost everybody's money. That's so quick. How did you lose a fucking $1 million in 3 hours, bro? When it took you 4 years to become a millionaire. That's insane. We do pretty much have equal lows. Yes, you are correct. But I don't fully see this as an equal low yet because New York is still open. You know, New York market is still open. I would only see this as equal lows if we started trading above London high or above New York open. But right now we're still down here. So, but we could see you know, some pullbacks. We are getting our rejection, but the 4 hour is about to close in 11 minutes. So typically, you know, when you see a higher time frame closure, you'll see some type of pullback on the smaller time frame. I guess he didn't use stop loss, bro. The way, I don't know, but the way Don Vo trades, he trades really stupidly. Like he risks, for example, he'll risk like $750 to make 200. Like, who? Makes no sense. What kind of risk management is that? That trade I was just taking, I was risking, I think I was risking like 100 and close to 1%. I can't remember the exact number. Guess I could just kind of average it out right now. Actually, no, I was risking a little more than that. My risk management is still getting better, but for someone to have been a millionaire after 4 years and you lose all of that in 3 hours, I mean, I don't think he lost his own money, he lost other people's money. So he probably lost his own too. Crazy. That's what happens when you get too cocky. I still see the upside for NAS, to be honest. I still see us going bullish. Unless we break past here. Which was this previous Asia low. Bro. Trade taken at 9:31 a.m. Let me see. Didn't hold the entire I didn't hold the entire position, but I got some of it. I really need to work on holding a little bit more. But yeah, that was a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade, guys. It was a nice breakout.
What's it guy? You take it from the first way. So you never know what's on the bottom for you. But you never score. See, no buys yet, guys. No buys yet. Now we're coming down here to this previously God damn, that was a great trade. I need to leave like one runner. I need to leave like one runner. Yeah. I mean, I'm happy that I caught the trade though. Like my direction was right. Yeah, I should have fucking held that shit. But you know what? You know what's good about this is that I traded in the same direction that the banks are trading in the big players. I did the right thing. So I closed it pretty early, but I caught some of it. I got about close to 1% of my account. I could have had way more, but hey, it is what it is. Next time I'll leave like just one runner just to build up that confidence to hold, you know? This is a very beautiful fucking strategy, guys. Just targeting liquidity. Liquidity in the market. The market is liquidity. It's just one big fucking auction. One big fucking auction.
Ugh. Yeah, no buys yet until we see some type of nice support formed. Yeah, liquidity is a great area for take profit and for entries. I mean, you use liquidity for both. But where is your liquidity resting? Where do you think the liquidity is resting? Damn. I think we're coming down here, guys. I don't know if we'll come all the way down here, but let me see here. Asia lows are actually right here. So
I check like this for
we got 3 minutes. Oh, you're a swing trader. I don't even know the ins and outs of swing trading. I mean, I know highs and lows highs and all that, this and that, but you know, and if you also pay attention to this monthly candle, we have this huge wick. We have a lot of range down here. A lot of range down here. In 2 minutes. Well, 1 minute. And I have to leave soon because I have a doctor's appointment. So, if I can get one more trade before I leave, that'd be great. But if not, that's fine. I'm not gonna force anything because I already got my wins for the day. Could have been up more if I wasn't dumb this morning and just a little more patient. But that's okay. Okay. Let's see what price will do. We started off with a no top wick, just going straight down.
if we expected that so back out here open so
I need to see some more support form first before I consider taking longs. Alright, so we just made a top wick on the 4. Let's see what we do. Are we going to press past, push past here on the 5? Or are we going to respect this low.
People say everything just out in their second trade on the one trade. I was every single person over me. Alright. So much left. Still a lot of people left. So much people left. So many people left, guys. Like I can see over this one like 10 people over here. Still guys, there's more. I wanna see more, I wanna see more. Here. Okay, I want to see more. I want to see more, guys. There's 50. Now there's 56 people. I want to see 56 people. So they count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's then 11, 12, 13. I got you. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we have a 25 and we have like 55 full rate, guys. As you can see, 55 people there. 35, 84 now. Want to see 50. I'm just motioning this time because it's my first time come tomorrow. They have to apologize, alright, buddy. Gotta wait. Definitely keep waiting.
Still waiting. Where does liquidity rest on the daily, weekly, and monthly? Because you can't see opens, session opens on the daily, weekly, or monthly, or yearly. So where are you marking for your liquidity levels? Like support and resistance, supply and demand? What's your liquidity levels? It's invalid.
Get I'll say that. Like rejection from here, I will add an example from position over here. In case by any example out of this bounce, I will add some more position over here, right? So I'll add some more over here. Okay. So I'll be looking for.
We're bouncing a lot from here on the one, especially the one. We are at this key level here. You know what? Let's take one more position, guys. Let's take one more position. That would only be 58. Higher time frame. Let me see. Let me see. All right. Let's take some longs, guys.
For the candle, yes, sir. Someone for the fucking candle. This is not how we pull the candle, brother. This is something else.
Last trade. All right, I don't like this trade, guys. I don't like this trade at all. Wow. Very close. Let's see.
Very, high pressure of stuff.
All right, I'm going to get the fuck out of this position, guys, right now. Because I don't like that trade, so that's a fair price for me to get into. I'm good. This was a fair price for me to get out of. We're just too bearish on the higher time frame for me to feel. I don't like it. I don't like it. I would need to see some support formed at least on the 30-minute time frame to really consider taking longs. I saw a lot of bouncing here on the 1 minute, but it's just it's a little too risky, I'll say. It's too risky. I'd rather have an A+ setup. Would be best to wait for some type of like trend line break or, But anyway, I'm done. I will be on tomorrow, guys. All right. And yeah, that's it. Be on tomorrow, so we'll do the same thing again tomorrow, targeting those opens, grabbing liquidity, just liquidity, all liquidity. It's the easiest way, the most simplest way to trade in the market. So 3, 2, 1, here's some coupons for you guys. Let's support Trading Nuts. Cam's a great guy. I've been live streaming for him for a little while now, and he's a great guy.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackpool Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackpool Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackpool Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian's the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters.
I don't know why that played again. But anyway, I'll see you later. Mugambi. Adios, muchachos. I'm actually Chinese, by the way. Well, I'm half Chinese. Anyway, see you guys later. Have a good rest of your day. Don't trade like Donvo. Don't risk $750 to make $200. Don't do that. Don't do that. Cut that shit out. Alright, see you guys later. Wait for some support to be formed on the higher time frame before considering buys. And remember to watch this level. This is the previous untouched Asia lows, so we could potentially come all the way back down here to grab this liquidity before we start pushing back up. So yeah, because now we passed this daily low as well. So we'll see what happens. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe.